we're all very excited at the launch of the Chowgule International School. This school is the latest offering by the renowned and respected Chowgule Education Society. And this society has got a variety of educational institutions. It's an extremely progressive decision to adopt the IB curriculum and to offer it in Goa. Goa has had a very good history of introducing changes and updations in the way we teach children. And recently, with the adoption of the national or the new education policy, it was really important for us to find a curriculum that will support these new approaches. For us, it's, we have a lot of parents in Goa who have traveled the world. They have seen the kind of difference that the high quality curricula that other students, in the larger cities of India and in other countries are getting, and what a difference it makes in the student developing into a responsible citizen. The IB, one of the great benefits of the IB and the Chowgule International School is that we will have small class sizes and we will drive learning through inquiry processes. And what that does is it trains the child in developing the skills, not just the content. And content is important. There is a lot of rigor, but the skills which will help the child lead a successful career and become a better human being, those are the things that we will focus on at the school. So it's a very exciting time for us. Thank you.
And so what are some of the unique things that Chowgule International School will be offering to the students?
Certainly. So we do believe that holistic development of students is important, and rather than just being a cliche, we believe that, despite being well-meaning, schools sometimes, because of its tight timetable, they want to have a whole range of activities, but they are forced to gravitate only towards academics. Now, for us, in the PYP program, it's already inbuilt into the system to have things like sports, fitness, social and emotional development, and a love for the aesthetics. And what's really exciting for us is that the way we teach is transdisciplinary. And transdisciplinary learning is the kind of learning where a concept is linked to real world situations, because there is no concept in the world that is purely compartmentalized to only one subject. Any issue that we have to deal with, find a solution for, requires a very holistic and multi-perspective approach. And the curriculum that we're offering in the IB is well designed for that. So I think the quality of learning at Chowgule International School will be extremely robust. The quality of teachers that we have in our school and the kind of training that we are investing in will ensure that teachers who will be coming from various parts of the country and even Goa, they'll be of the highest caliber possible. What's also important for us is the connect with the community. And children, they might be academically extremely proficient, but they need to also be in touch and well grounded. So we want students who are very, very respectful of their local identity, they are aware of their surroundings, and they are built to be responsible citizens, engaged citizens in the coming years.
And finally, sir, if there was a message for the parents as well as the students who want to be associated with the CIS, if you could say a few words to the students.
Yes. So I'd warmly welcome parents to come and experience. I mean, the school definitely, in terms of its infrastructure, in terms of its teachers, is world class. But what I'd really love for you to do is to come and experience a class activity with us, which is inquiry driven, to really understand why this kind of learning is so much more rich and engaging for the student, and which is why it is long-term learning. So parents, do reach out to us, do explore whatever your thoughts are and whatever your concerns are about your child's current educational situation. We'd love to talk to you. We are educators first, and we are also parents, and we understand what are the kinds of challenges which students face today.